How are you guys? I hope everyone is doing great. I hope you guys are staying safe. I just found out this has a thumb hole. This is so cool. This is officially my favorite top for this season. By the complete 180-degree transition in my outfit and my makeup. And by makeup I just mean this brown lip gloss. You can probably tell it is starting to get a little cold in Delhi. Not gonna lie, this is my favorite season of the year. I just obsessed. I just love winter so much. Alright, so a lot has been going on. So I have had a continuous battle with acne for as long as I can remember, and trust me, I have tried all the available products in the market, but eventually acne seems to win. But that is not gonna happen anymore. For most of us, acne is one of the biggest fears, and active acne is a constant problem. These can be caused due to a number of reasons: excessive sebum production, clogged pores, dead skin cells, bacteria and inflammation. While we were already dealing with a lot of acne, nowadays we have to wear a mask, which has led to a newer problem which is called maskne. So basically, maskne are pimples that happen in areas where the mask touches your face. It occurs when sweat, oil, bacteria are trapped onto your skin while you're wearing that mask, making it the perfect breeding ground for breakouts. So presenting, this product has a powerful formulation of 2% salicylic acid along with 3% sulfur that clears congestion from active acne, gently exfoliates the dead skin cells, accelerates skin renewal, and eliminates acne-causing bacteria. All in all, this gel is the go-to product for active acne.
The Derma Co are so confident that this is the most effective solution for acne that you would have ever tried, and hence they are asking you to take up a challenge. The 7-day money-back challenge with them. Regularly use the 2% salicylic acid spot treatment gel for a week and you will see a visible reduction in acne and inflammation. Otherwise, they will return your money back.
Salicylic acid is the most effective ingredient for solving acne issues, primarily active acne. It goes deep into the pores and gently exfoliates your skin of the dirt and oil. Another main ingredient of this spot treatment gel is sulfur. It helps dry out the surface of your skin to help absorb excess oil that may contribute to acne breakouts. Apply an even layer of 2% salicylic acid spot treatment gel on the affected area. It is advisable to use this treatment gel at night for the best results. Please follow it up with a broad spectrum sunscreen. So I have been using this product religiously for the past 1 week. It not only deals with active acne, it also reduces the inflammation that is around acne. I have personally used a lot of the Derma Co products, and there are a few things that I really like about them as a brand. First and the most important thing is that the Derma Co is an honest brand. They are super transparent and they disclose the percentage of active ingredients on the packaging itself, so you are not misled into buying something else and expecting something completely different. The Derma Co has also launched India's first masterclass on skincare actives to share all the knowledge and all the science behind active ingredients and how to use them. All Derma Co products are designed using scientific ingredients which are safe and effective to use. And you can start your journey of getting a healthier skin by checking out their website, and also use my code SWAMY, that is SWAMY 20 for flat 20% off. I mean, if I got 20% off of skincare that is actually so good, I would rush and buy that thing. The Derma Co products are also available on Amazon, Nykaa and Flipkart. Do not forget to follow up your skincare with a good sunscreen before stepping out of the house, or even when you're inside the house. Product link, website link and my code, everything will be in the description box below. You guys need to check it out for 20% off. SWAMY20 is my code. Now let's head back to the video. On the social media front is obviously gonna keep happening because it's life, and life is all about having fun with strangers on the internet. Please don't tell your mom that I said that. Do not play this video in front of your mothers, because I don't want to be a bad influence. I love it when parents love me. It is my absolute favorite thing to do. Anyway, in today's video, I just wanted an overall review. I just wanted to see hum sab log kaun se tangent pe hai, if we all are on the same page, if we are all simping over the same people, because I know and I expect a lot of people to have like really weird crushes, but I mean, there is no judgment here. I'm not gonna judge you guys. Alright, let me Alright, let's go through these together. I just personally feel it is so interesting to know someone's celebrity crush, because that says a lot about the type of person that you are. That is my justification for this video. Other than that, I was just feeling very nosy and I just wanted to know what everyone is up to. First off, everyone who sent in my name, you guys are the cutest. Kisses for you guys, but I am not a celebrity. I'm not even like a micro celebrity. I'm not even an influencer. So I don't qualify. That being said, let's see the first. Maybe I needed a little bit of humbling, so thank you. It has hurt my feelings a little bit, but let's just move on. He's in jail. I know who this is, and I don't know, man. Like, hashtag free Aryan Khan, I guess. Please don't put me in jail, guys. This is a joke. I am just an unfunny content creator on the internet, like very tiny, but I am very sorry if I said something that offended anyone. But I think that he should be freed. The next is Deepika Padukone. I would like to say that I think that she is like the national crush of India. I mean, a lot of people, when Disha Patani was like introduced, everyone used to call her that, but like I never really saw the appeal. I have always crushed over Deepika. Like, I've been crushing over her for years now and I still do. She is stunning. She is so beautiful. I understand wherever this is coming from. You got great taste. Next is Dakota Johnson. I don't know anyone that does not have a crush on Dakota Johnson. Like, she is so pretty, especially after she played Anastasia Steele in 50 Shades of Grey. She just looks like this very kinky but sensitive, soft girl, and we are just all here for it. We love it. And I'm sweating because I cannot switch off my fan and I'm wearing this black full sleeve t-shirt. Aaron Piper. Yes. Whoever sent this, you and me totally bonding right now. We are on our way to become best friends. Aaron Piper is everything and more. He is such a great actor. He looks great. I think he's also a singer. Just Siddharth Malhotra. I think a lot of people developed a crush on him after Shersha. Before that, he was not like a crush material. He was always like a really good looking guy, but after Shersha, like after seeing his acting abilities, I understand where you guys are coming from. I have seen a lot of Siddharth Malhotra replies on this thread and I completely agree. Next is Megan Fox and you. Not me, and especially not me with the queen. Like, I mean, I feel even the word queen is very tiny when we are talking about Megan Fox, because she has been like this epitome, this symbol of beauty and the right amount of sexiness and literally everything ever since I saw her in Jennifer's Body. And yes, I did not just see Jennifer's Body, I saw it when it came out like a couple of years later, and I was obsessed with that movie, because who would not appreciate a beautiful girl eating boys left and right? I mean, so Megan Fox has to be my #1 celebrity crush too. So you and me, whoever sent this, you and me. The next is Shahid Kapoor. Is it just me, or did Shahid actually get like 50 times more attractive after he got married? I'm pretty sure it's not just me. I'm pretty sure everyone else, almost everyone else, thinks the same. He had like 2 glow-ups in his life. One was after his breakup with Kareena Kapoor, and the second was when he got married. And we are not complaining. Shahid Kapoor looks stunning now. Next is Kylie Jenner. I do not understand all the hate and the troll that Kylie keeps getting. I mean, I understand it because they keep promoting these unrealistic body standards and stuff. That is a completely different topic, but we cannot ignore the fact that she is a stunning woman. She is so beautiful. Her style, just this entire vibe about her, I love her. In some parallel universe, if I had the chance to hang out with Kylie, I definitely would. She looks like a very fun person, and I love that. And that is a huge factor when it comes to attractiveness in celebrities for me. Like how fun to hang out do they look. मुझे नहीं लगता ज़्यादा sense बना, but except Megan Fox. Megan Fox can be mean and rude as fuck because she is just so hot. She can do whatever the fuck she wants. के अलावा मतलब everyone has to look fun. This is really unexpected because I just did not think anyone would actually think about him when I asked for celebrity crushes. But this is so on point because Kunal Khemu is like this right cocktail of good acting, good looks, and like he looks like he's a great father and like great vibe. So I am here for it. I really liked Kunal Khemu too. Someone said Aisha, and for everyone that does not know, in case someone does not know, Aisha is my best friend, and I could not agree with you more. I mean, if I was a guy, I would surely be crushing on Aisha, but I know that she would be rejecting me, as she rejects literally everyone else in her life. I'm sorry, I love you, but yeah, I can see why this is here. The next is Shawn Mendes. So the thing about Shawn Mendes is that he's a really good singer, super talented, very good looking. But I just read an article that came out about him and Camila that they do not believe in taking a bath like a shower. मतलब नहाना, वो नहाने में बिलीव नहीं करते. मैं बस यही सोच रही हूँ कि अगर ये लोग इंडियन होते और ये लोग अगर अपने घर पे रहते तो ये लोग कितना डांट खाते. Because imagine explaining that to your parents that we do not believe in bathing. And even apart from that, ever since I read that article, I just feel like the entire Shawn Mendes charm has just... And the last is Shah Rukh Khan and Ranbir Kapoor. This is the best ending that I could have asked for. Shah Rukh Khan is literally totally crush worthy. I know people that have been crushing over him ever since they were kids, including me, and that fact never changed because he is an exceptionally talented person. Looks like he's a really good human being, and just everything about him is so nice, so pure, so powerful. And Ranbir Kapoor, fun fact, he is my birthday twin. हम दोनों का birthday 28 September को आता है. Somehow now I feel very silly talking about it, but I mean it has always been like a very important information for me, and I wanted to share it with you guys. And I also think that Ranbir Kapoor is also very good looking, a nice boy, sweet, charming. And I guess that is about it. That being said, I got over 1500 replies on this story, but not even one person said Bella Hadid. I'm gonna hold that grudge against you guys for the rest of my life because Bella Hadid is single-handedly the most beautiful person on this planet. Let me know if I missed any of your crushes, if I did not talk about someone that you really wanted me to talk about, and I'm slowly trying to shift to the middle of the screen so that it's not completely weird with me. But if you guys want me to turn this into a series, let me know. If you guys want me to make a video on something completely different, also let me know. Hope you guys liked this video. If you guys did, then make sure that you like, share, subscribe, do your thing. Share this video with one person that you think would agree with me. And I'll see you guys the next time. Take care of yourselves and bye. Make sure that you subscribe to our podcast channel as well because we do a lot of talking there too. So that is it. Final lullaby.